For our last week, we're going to consider OSHA and ergonomic issues related to engineering management. Now, when we think about OSHA and ergonomics, generally we're talking about safety, but really if we look at the broader field of ergonomics, it goes beyond safety into what will lead to efficient work. And depending on the field you're in, and given the diversity of this class, it can mean a lot of different things in each of your different applications. The broader field of ergonomics we will think of in three different domains. One is the physical space, where we consider things such as layout and design of work, how we handle repetitive tasks, those sort of things. There's also the cognitive aspects of ergonomics, where we consider mental workload, absorptive capacity of employees. Are we giving too much information at one time to allow a team to operate effectively? And then there's the organizational component, where we look at the task and the technology fit. And we'll find sometimes we're using a perfectly appropriate tool, but using it for the wrong task. So it ends up being an inefficient tool, much like trying to type a letter to send out to people using Microsoft Excel. While it's a perfectly valid tool, it doesn't fit the task that you have at hand. And then there's also the idea of participatory design, how we engage team members in work that we do. And so all of these make up the area of organizational ergonomics. As we look at the different disciplines involved, it's as widely varied as exercise physiology, physics, psychology, org behavior, and numerous others. For the purpose of this class, we're not teaching ergonomics or OSHA as in becoming specialist in the particular requirements, but rather as a manager, you need to understand what affects the field that you are in and where you find information about that. Do you go to an HR office? Is there someone who's responsible for ergonomics in a manufacturing process that you're involved in? Is there someone that you go to for workspace issues? And so that's really the approach we're going to take as we look at this topic this week. It's a much lighter topic than our others. We don't have any reading that goes along with it, but rather within your own workplace, I want you to explore what are the OSHA and ergonomic outlets that you would have at your disposal should an issue arrive. Later on this week, I'll also be releasing our final exam, and that will give you more than a week to work on the two cases that are involved in that. So I look forward to working with you this week as we explore ergonomics and OSHA safety standards within your particular workplace. Thanks.